Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning,
ma'am.
everyone. Good morning. Yeah. Any problem in coordinate geometry part? Coordinate geometry, any problem you have? Any doubts you have?
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes,
Ma'am.
Trishila?
Ma'am, whenever we mark any points on the graph, is it necessary that every time we form any?
I'm not getting your voice clearly. Can you speak, come near the mic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now it is okay.
Ma'am, whenever we mark any points on the graph, is it always?
No, again it is going feeble, very feeble. You keep closer to the mic.
Ma'am, no.
Initially it is coming and after that it is going feeble.
Okay, ma'am, I'll speak loudly.
Yeah.
Ma'am, whenever we mark any points on the graph, is it necessary that we always form any?
Not getting, wait, I will call you. I'm not getting anything.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I'll also.
Initially it is coming and after that it is not coming.
Okay, ma'am, I'll try to.
Yeah, tell me.
On a graph, when you point form any shape.
Not always. When the question is there, if they have told it is A, B, C, D, and they're asking us to join and then make or write the name of the shape, at that time it will form the proper shape. According to the question, it depends on. Okay. So at that time they will ask you the area also. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. One point I left you, it is not there anywhere, but I have seen some questions based on that. That is plotting the mirror images of the given points. So that means if the point has been plotted, you have to plot its mirror image. So what is mirror image means? Do you know what is mirror image? Laterally inverted images. That means here, whenever in a mirror, if you form the image, I'm not getting through. Okay, so this is this one. Now point has been plotted here. This is a point P, some coordinate, maybe suppose 3, 4 is the coordinates of this point P. Now its image, you have to form it. So for that image formation, we have to consider either y-axis, it has to be given, either y-axis as a mirror or either x-axis as a mirror. So if it is given x-axis as a mirror, then where the image will be formed? Which quadrant?
Fourth quadrant.
Ma'am, fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant, because mirror image has characteristics. You know that is the characteristics formed by the characteristics of the image formed by the plane mirror. That is, image is formed inside the mirror and it is at the same distance from the object. How much is the object is in front of the mirror? At the same distance inside the mirror, the image is present. And on the same straight line, same line it is present. That means from P, now here this is a mirror. In this case, this is a mirror. Then in this case, this distance. How much is this distance?
4 units.
4 units. Distance from x-axis is the y coordinate. Y coordinate is 4. So therefore, this is 4 units. So you have to go below it 4 units. So here is the image of P is formed, which is P dash. Now what are the coordinates now? What will be the coordinate at this point?
-3.
3 will remain same, no? So
-4.
3 it will remain
3 and
same
-4.
and this will become -4. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now if the object is present at this position, -2, -3, -2, sorry, -3 plus 2. This is point Q. Its image is Where is the image formed? In the x-axis image. So it will be formed on the same straight line. So at this position, which is q dash. So what are the coordinates? Now this distance and this distance should be same. X value is same. That is, what is the x value? X coordinate is
-3.
-3. So x coordinate of q dash also remains same, -3. And what is the y
And
value then?
-2.
Y
-2.
coordinate? This will be -2. Is this clear, mirror image?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If they keep mirror diagonally,
Diagonally, then diagonally you have to do.
yeah, will
In
they,
origin, here it will come.
yeah,
So how much distance from this side? It will come here. So both the values will change. Both the sign will change.
will they ask an exam like this?
No, you don't have that.
Okay.
Okay, and then if the image formed in y-axis. Suppose now here is the point 3, 4. P is at 3, 4. You have to form the image in y-axis. So that means y-axis will become a mirror. So this is mirror here because they are asking to form the image in y-axis. So this is P. So y-axis, that means this is the distance from the mirror. This is the distance of the object from the mirror. So how much is this units?
3.
3 units. So that means behind the mirror, you have to go 3 units. So this is 3 units. So then P dash is formed at this position. What are the coordinates then?
-3 and +4.
+4.
-3 and +4. Only x coordinate will change because the position of x has been changed. P is at this position, whose coordinates is 3. Now it has gone to this. So what is the coordinate at this point? It is -3 because it is at 3 unit distance. Clear? Now if the object is present at this position, Q, it is -4, 5. Then where is the image formed? So this is the distance of the mirror and the object. So image will be formed on the same straight line. So what is the on this one point here? What is this point? Sorry, this is -5, not 5. So this will be
-5.
-5. So now this distance is -4. So this
-5.
will be, how much is this units? Now it is how much distance this is? 4 units. So this distance also should be 4 units. And here is the image formed, that is Q dash. So what is the coordinates now?
4, -5.
4, -5. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now they will ask you to find out this and form the image in x-axis and in y-axis. 2 points will be given. In x-axis, both the points as images you have to form and join them and write the name of the figure obtained by such joining all those points. Like that question can be asked.
Ma'am, name of the figures will be like square, rectangle.
It can be square, rectangle, trapezium. Trapezium will not possible. Square or rectangle only possible.
Okay.
Okay. So write down, so draw these points. Drawing mirror images. Heading is drawing mirror image of a given point.
Ma'am, should we draw it on the graph?
No, in your notebook you can do.
Okay, ma'am, I'm audible now?
Yes, you are.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the first graph, X is
Yeah.
the mirror, right?
X is the mirror, yes. In the second graph, Y is the mirror.
Okay, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm writing that sentence.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, notes of polynomials, I didn't get everything, ma'am. Only some I got.
Only some.
Yes, ma'am.
You have seen the videos?
Yes, ma'am. In YouTube, I saw like full chapter. I didn't get.
Is there?
It's there, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
search for 9th KV.
Okay, ma'am.
9th KV
Ma'am, this
polynomials.
chapter is also there.
This chapter I need to upload today. I think so. I will upload all of them.
Okay,
Or
ma'am.
yesterday I've sorted out everything. I will.
Okay, ma'am.
Mom, can you scroll it down?
Yeah. 1 second. There is a question based on this part. I will give you.
Mom, after drawing that x-axis mirror, you
Yeah.
have to write this question.
Yes. You have drawn y-axis?
No, ma'am, you have to draw now.
Ma'am, can we do this question without drawing the graph or should we draw it?
Not needed. Graph is not needed. In y-axis, as mirror, what is happening? The reflection of P is P dash. So in this case, if any object is this one, so what is happening here? When reflection taken place at that time, which value? X-axis, X coordinate will become negative. So here it was 3. In the mirror image, it was -3. No change in the y coordinate. No change in y coordinate. That means if point P is x and y, then what happens to a reflection in y axis? It will become P dash minus x comma y. It's clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
In y axis, if the coordinate is P, x and y, then what happens in y axis reflection? It will become minus x and y. X will only become negative, and it is already negative. It will become negative of negative, that is positive. Is that clear? And in x-axis, what is happening in x-axis? X-axis as mirror. Then if P, x and y is there, so what is the reflection?
The ordinate becomes negative.
Only x-axis remains same, x-coordinate remains same, ordinate will become negative. So y will be negative in that case. write down that. Completed? Okay, now the question is here. If the mirror image of a point xy about x-axis is xn minus y, that means y coordinate has been changed, then write the mirror image of point S about x-axis is
About x-axis means x is the
in x-axis as a mirror. This is a mirror. X remains same, y has been negative. So now here also the same thing you have to do. X remains same and y negative. So y will be negative in that case. X-axis will remain same. X coordinate will remain same. Y coordinate will become negative. Is it clear? Is this clear?
Yes.
One more question is there. Write the mirror image of 4 minus 3 about y-axis. What's the answer?
Ma'am, -4 and -3.
Yes, right. Minus 4 and minus 3. In y-axis, y coordinate won't change. X coordinate becomes negative. So x coordinate is 4. So it will become negative, that is minus 4. And y coordinate will remain same, minus 3. Is it clear? So this is
Yes,
all
ma'am.
about this chapter. This is all about this chapter. Okay? So, still any doubts you have in this chapter?
Ma'am,
Yes?
this chapter is over.
Yes, this chapter over. Very small chapter. This one, there are 3 chapters, very small chapters. One is a coordinate geometry. Second one is linear equation in 2 variables. And the third one is Euclid. These 3 chapters are very small chapters. Okay, so starting with the next chapter, linear equation in 2 variables, which is also based on graphical
Ma'am,
representation.
I was writing the question.
Oh, okay, sorry. That's what I'm asking you. Do you have done or not? I'm not
Ma'am,
getting
I
any
thought,
answer.
sorry, ma'am.
That's okay. How I will get to know that you have done or not? That's the reason I keep on asking. Done? Understood?
Ma'am, after seeing the videos of this chapter, can I ask you the doubt afterwards?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, today also we need to send the graph to you, ma'am.
Yes. If we start with the graph today of
Okay.
linear equations.
Now I'll send you today.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, fine. One second. Now, starting with the linear equation into variable. Then I'll open the chapter so that you can go through. Fourth chapter. This is also graphical and completely no need any calculation part, much more things are not there. Okay. So now first you have to learn in this chapter as linear equations in two variables. You have learned what are linear polynomials. What is a linear polynomial means?
Which has the highest power as 1.
Yes, degree 1, linear polynomial. That is the polynomial with degree 1. That means the maximum power, maximum exponent of any variable. Is 1 only. So that we call as linear polynomial. And this is 1. Now linear polynomial if has a value. So suppose it is ax plus b is a linear polynomial. If we give it value as 0, equate it to 0, then this is called as linear equation. Polynomial and the equation differences, polynomial do not have value. So it is only the algebraic expressions in terms of the variables and the numbers. But equation means the polynomial which has some value. Then that is called as linear equation. Now here whatever I've written, in this one, x is only the variable, a and b are the any real numbers. A and b are any real numbers. That means for example, it is written as 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. That means here x is only the variable, 2 and 3 are the a and b values which are any real numbers. It's clear? Now here only one variable was there. So therefore this is called as only one variable. Therefore it is called as linear equation in one variable. Now if I write this one as 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Now here, how many variables are there?
2.
Two
Two
variables.
variables.
What is the power of both of them?
1.
Power of both of them is 1. Power
1.
is equal to 1. That means degree is
1.
1. So therefore, this is linear equation. This is also a linear. It is equation because it is equated to 0. So therefore, it is equated to 0. So therefore, this is called as linear equation. And it has two variables. So we call it as linear equation in two variables.
Ma'am,
Yes.
means if any polynomial has highest degree 1, it is linear.
Yes. Any polynomial with any number of variables, doesn't matter, 26 variables also can be there, but it should have, all of them should have the maximum power of 1. Then all of them are called as linear polynomials. The number of terms can be anything. That is not a problem.
Okay. And when we equate it to something, it will be linear equation.
Equation, yes. When you equate that polynomial equal to something when you are writing, that means it is a linear equation, we call it as.
Ma'am, so in the chapter polynomials, there were not all linear.
No, all are not linear. That is a quadratic also was there. Cubic was also you have learned.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. In this chapter, we are only concerned about linear. These are equations and these are in two variables.
Okay.
So three things are there. One is a linear. That is the maximum power of variable is 1. It is equation because that value is substituted to some other values. The value, that polynomial has a value. So therefore it is equation. And the third thing is it has two variables. That means there are two variables has been managed. So it can be X and Y, it can be A and B, it can be C and D, it can be S and T, P and Q. Anything is possible, but there are two alphabets are used in that equation, and all the alphabet has the power 1 only. Is it clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So general form of writing this linear equation in two variables, generally it is general form of it, that is a representation. General form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now what are a, b, c? Here x and y are only variables. These are variables. And what is a, b and c are any
Constant.
real numbers. That is a constant value. That can be any real numbers. Real, I have used the word. That means it can be rational as well as irrational. That is not a problem. It can be rational and it can be irrational also. That is not a problem. So examples are 5x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. So here x and y are variables. What is the value of a? A is the coefficient of x. What is a here?
5.
Is coefficient of x. What is b?
3.
Coefficient of y.
Y.
And what is c? It is a constant term which don't have any variable. So here a value is 5.
5.
B value is
3.
3. And c is,
Minus
Minus
7.
it's minus 7. Now in this case, 7 by 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. In this case, we have to write, although it don't have y, but still we have to write in this form. We have to write this is in ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 form we have to write. So when we don't have the y value in the equation, at that time we have to consider the b value as 0, because 0 into y is 0. That's the reason it is not written here. So but when we are writing the values of a and b, we have to write that 7 by 2x plus 0y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now can you tell me the value of ABC? A is equal to
7 by 2.
7 by 2. What is B?
0.
0.
0. And what is C?
Minus 5.
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Third one. Root 5x minus root 5x plus root 7 by 4 y plus 6 is equal to 0. What is the value of A?
Minus root.
Minus root 5.
Minus root 5. B?
Root 7 by 4.
And what is C?
6.
6. Okay. So first write down this. This is the only first exercise.
Ma'am, in every equation we have to use general form.
Yes, the question is given, then according to that you have to do. First write down this. First write down these all things. Then we will go through the first exercise.
Ma'am, can you scroll it down?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the second term is it root whole
Whole
7
root.
by 4?
Yeah, it is full.
Okay.
One, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
This is the first exercise of NCRT. The cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Write the linear equation in two variable to represent this statement. Cost of notebook is 2 times the cost of pen. We don't know any one of them. So we will consider the cost of notebook as X and the cost of pen as Y.
Ma'am, should we write the question?
Question no needed, it is NCRT. So consider let cost of one notebook is equal to X rupees and cost of one pen is equal to Y rupees. Now what is the relation between them? What they have given? Cost of one notebook is 2 times the cost of a pen.
Ma'am, so the notebook is X, so pen is 2X.
Yeah, 2y.
Yeah.
Cost of pen is y. So X is a cost of notebook, 2 times the cost of pen. X is equal to 2y.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you have tried in the form x minus 2y plus 0 is equal to 0, right?
Yeah, that you can write. Write only linear equation they have asked. So we have written linear equation into variables, and then you can write in the general form if it is asked. You can keep this way also, or you can write it as x minus 2y plus 0 is equal to 0.
Okay, I wrote in that form.
First write down x is equal to 2y. That is a main equation.
Okay.
And then second one, can you solve? Express the following linear equation in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Do it, all 8 questions.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. Over, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
और इन लोग को वीडियोस दे देंगे.
Yes, first answer. This one by one. Hanif, can you tell the first answer? Hanif, are you there?
My first question.
Yeah, first question. What is the values of A? Hanif, what is the value of A, B, and C? What happened, Hanif? Tejasvi.
Yes, ma'am. A is equal to +2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to minus 9.35.
Bar.
Bar.
Second one, Amrita.
Ma'am, A is equals to -2, B is equals to 3, and
Which, where is -2?
okay,
This is
sorry,
2.
ma'am. I'm telling third one. Okay. A is equals to 1, B is equals to -1/5, C is equals to -10.
Okay. Rupika, third one.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, A is -2,
Minus
B
2.
is 3, and C is -6.
C is equal to -6. Fourth one, Ankita.
A is equal to 1, B is equal to -3, and C is equal to 0.
Okay. Daphne. Fifth one. Daphne, fifth one. Not getting your voice. Come to the mic. Take the mic closer.
A equals to 2,
A is equal to 2, right?
B equals to 5,
Yeah.
C equals to 0.
Okay, fine. Then Yatin. Yatin.
Ma'am,
Yes, answer. Sixth one.
sixth one. Ma'am, A equal to 3, B equal to 0, C equal to 2, ma'am.
Okay. Madhushri, eighth one.
Ma'am, my A is equal to -2, B is equal to...
A is equal to -2, how?
Ma'am, because it's ma'am, 2x comes beside 5, so it becomes -2.
This one. This is the equation, no?
Ma'am, you asked me eighth one.
Okay, fine. Eighth one, tell me. A is equal to?
-2.
Okay.
B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 5.
Fine. So you can make it reverse also. A is +2 and C is -5. Not a problem.
Okay, ma'am.
And then next, Ganesh. Seventh one.
Ma'am, A is equal to 3.
A is equal to 3. Seventh
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Seventh one.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. A is equal to 0.
Yeah.
B is equal to 1. C is equal to -2.
Okay, very good. Now next part is, okay, few more questions are there. Solve it. These are solved questions. Solve these questions. This is solved example. Tanya, first question. Yes, Tanya.
No, I didn't write.
You can tell. Don't write but tell. You can tell. You have to write an equation in two variables. You have to make an equation. That is in the form of ax plus by plus c form you have to write.
It will be
X is equal to -5. So how to write in this form?
A1.
No, write in the equation. You have to write equation.
Okay. A is equals to -5, then x plus 5 is equals to 0. Means it will be
Ax plus by plus c form you have to write.
A will be 1, let's say 1x
1x, okay,
plus 0y
plus 0y
plus 5
plus 5 is
is
equal to
equals to
0.
0.
Okay, very good. Then Pranjal, next question.
Yes, ma'am. For the second one, 0x plus 1y minus 2
is equal to 0. Trishila, third one.
Ma'am, 2x plus 0y minus 3 is equal to 0.
Okay. Vedank, next one, fourth one. Fourth
0
one.
plus 5y minus 2.
0x plus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. It's clear this one? This part clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So the next one is finding the solution of linear equation in two variables. Finding solutions of linear equation in finding solution of linear equation in two variables. Linear equation, it is written in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So finding solution means finding the value of x and y which satisfy this equation. So finding the solution means finding values of x and y which satisfy this equation. Given equation. Okay. So that means by substituting, after substituting some values of x and y, if RHS, satisfying means making RHS is equal to LHS. That is substituting the value of x and y. If RHS will become equal to LHS, that means that value of x and y are the solutions. Is it clear? Is this part clear? How to find out? How to find out that I will tell you. But what is the solution means? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So here there are infinitely many solutions of x and y which can satisfy a one particular equation. For example, suppose take an example as x plus 2y is equal to 6. X plus 2y is equal to 6. Now, if you substitute the value of x and y, we write as a coordinate actually, as 2 and 2. So substitute the value of x as 2 and y as 2. What will happen? 2 plus 2 into 2. So 2 plus 4, that is 6. This is equal to 6. So equation is...
Substitute any value like this?
I'm telling you, we have to find out those solutions. We are checking out whether whichever after substituting which value of x and y, this equation satisfied. So these solutions I know actually, so I'm showing you. Okay, this is the equation, and for that if I will substitute the value of x and y as 2 and 2, this equation gets satisfied. Now another, the same equation, if I will substitute the value as 0 and 3, x value is 0, y value is 3. So 0 plus 2 into 3, that is 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 is equal to 6. So that means this is another solution. This is one solution. This is second solution. Then if I can substitute 6 comma 0, I will check with 6 comma 0. Will the equation satisfies? X value is 6 and 2 into 0, that is 6 plus 0, which is 6. So therefore RHS is also 6. That means by substituting the value of 6 comma 0, also this equation is satisfied. So therefore, how many solutions we got it right now? 2, 2, 0, 3, 6 zeros. So these are the different values of x and y. If you this one add these pairs of x and y values in any equation, in this equation, you are getting the this one, that equation gets satisfied. So that means these are all solutions of x equation. There are many more. There are infinitely many points we can find out. Infinitely many x and y values we can find out which can satisfy this equation. So therefore, it is told that linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Okay. So our task is to find out the solutions. They will ask you to find 2 solutions of the equations, find 3 solutions of the equation, maybe find 6 solutions of the equations. So first write it down, then I will tell you how to find out these solutions.
Can it be 4 comma 1?
Finished, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Completed? Then how to find the
Ma'am,
solutions? Yes? Yes,
ma'am,
Anurag?
can it be -2, 4?
Yes, it's possible. Anything. There are in many solutions. I will tell you how to solve this. The same equation we will now, I will explain you how to find out the solutions. What we have to do is, you can find out 10 solutions also. 10, no, it's 100 solutions also you can find out. Now here you have the equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. This is the equation you have. Now write this, keep the one variable on one side and remaining all the terms, whether it is a constant term or it is a variable, take it on the RHS. So here only x I have, so I will keep this x here, and this 2y I will shift it to RHS. So it will become 6 minus 2y. Is it clear? Is this part clear what I have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
substitute any value of y. I will substitute y is equal to 0. Now substitute and find the value of x. So x is equal to 6 minus 2 into 0. So what I got? 6 minus 0, that is 6. So x and y, we always write in terms of coordinates. First is x coordinate and then y coordinate. So x value first and then the y value. So x value is 6 and what is y value? 0. So 6 comma 0 is our one solution. You got it here? Now substitute any value of y. Tell me the any other value of y.
Ma'am, 5.
We can take
5, okay. So x is equal to 6 minus 2 into 5. So what I got? 6 minus 10. So answer is minus 4. So what is the solution? Minus 4 comma 5. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now substitute the third value of y. Take any value. I will substitute 1.
4.
So x is equal to 6 minus 2 into 1. That is 6 minus 2, which is 4. So that means 4 comma 1. Then yes, Anurag, y is equal to
4.
4. Fine. Then x is equal to 6 minus 2 into 4. That is 6 minus 8, which is minus 2. So we'll get the solution minus 2 comma 4. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then any other now. Tell me other values. Y is equal to minus
9.
1. Minus 1 I will take. Always take the smaller values. Don't go beyond this in 5 at least. Try to find out because you have to plot these points on the graph also. Okay, so 6 minus, when they're asking to find the solution, you can take any values. But if they were asking now find the solution and plot on the graph, then it is difficult for you if you take the larger numbers. 6 plus 2, that is equal to 8. So that means x value is 8, y value is minus 1. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can we take any irrational number as y value?
What?
Can we take any irrational number as y value?
Is it possible to then find out the solution? It will remain irrational only.
Yes,
You
so,
can take it, but it is plotting will be difficult.
x will also be an irrational number.
Yes, x will be also irrational number in that case.
Yeah.
Y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 6 minus 2 into 2. 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. So it is 2 comma 2. Okay, so this way, whatever the number of solutions you want, you can find out. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And there is one more fact, that this equation, when we plot on the graph paper, these points, when you plot on the graph paper, you will see that the single line can pass through all these equations, all these points, coordinates. One single line can be drawn from all these points. Linear equation in two variables. We have to find the solution. These are our solutions. Now, if you plot these points on the graph paper, you will see that there is a one single line can pass through all these points.
Is it because it is linear?
Yes, that's the reason it is called linear equation. So that means now what I want to tell you is the points, the finding the solution means finding the points present on that graph of the linear equation in two variables. So any point which is present on the line is a solution of the equation. And solution of an equation, that means that point should satisfy the given equation. So now reverse way. Just now you have found out, that is the solutions you have found out if the equation is given. And now you have to check whether, I need to check whether 3 and 2 are the solutions of this equation or not. The second type of a question, type 2. Find whether 3 comma 2 is a solution of what equation we have taken, x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay, we have to check it. That means what I told you just now, if a point, these are the solutions, and what is the condition for that solutions? That means if we draw the line, it will draw, means the one single straight line can pass through all these points. That means these points are present on the line and satisfy the given equation. That means after substituting the value of x and y, the RHS and LHS becomes equal. Now here we have to check whether this is a solution of this line equation or not. How to find out? We have to substitute these values in this equation, and we have to check whether RHS and LHS are equal or not.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, will this line pass through origin?
Say, not always.
Okay.
So we have to check whether this is a solution of this or not. What is a solution means? The values of x and y should satisfy the equation. Values of x and y should satisfy given equation. Okay. Now equation we have x plus 2y is equal to 6. What is the value of x we have to check?
3.
3. And what is the value of y?
2.
2. Substitute. This is 3 plus 2 into 2.
Ma'am,
So
7
3
will come.
plus 4, 7. And this is RHS is 6. They are not equal. That means 3 and 2 are not the solutions of given equation. Is it clear how to check?
Yes, ma'am.
So write down the method of finding solution and the second question, second type of a question. Is that clear how to find out the solution?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yatin, are you able to understand? Yatin, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Rupika, Madhushri,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vishal, Rupam,
Yes, ma'am.
completed? Second question.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then now check the questions of second exercise. Which one of the following option is true and why? Y is equal to 3x plus 5 has unique solution, only two solutions, infinitely many solutions.
Infinitely many solutions.
Many solutions.
Yes, it has infinitely many solutions because it is a linear equation in two variables, and we just now seen that is it has infinitely many solutions. Write 4 solutions of each of the following equations. Let's start finding. Any one variable you can keep on LHS, and you can take any one of them as other side. So here y don't have any variable coefficient, so I will keep y on this side, and 2x I will take it on that side. Is it clear? And then take any 4 values of x. X is equal to 1, x is equal to -1, x is equal to 2, and x is equal to -2. So take these 4 values and find the answers for y.
Ma'am, we should take it as y is equals to 1.
No, x value is 1, substitute and get the value of y.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, I got the answers.
Ma'am, is the second question pi x plus y is equal to 9?
Pi, yes, pi. Anurag, tell the answers. Y value is for the first part.
Ma'am, I took as x equals 0 in the first one.
Okay, x is equal to 0. What is the value of y you got?
Y is equal to 7, so it is 0, 7.
Okay. X
Then
is equal to 1.
It's 1, 5.
5. So it is 1, 5. X is equal to -1.
Y equals 9, so it's -1, 9.
So it is -1, 9. Then the third one, yx is equal to 2. Then
Y
value
equals 3, 2, 3.
2,
I did not find for x -2.
Okay. Anyone else found out?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Y is equal to?
Ma'am, -2, 11.
11. So that means -2, 11. Fine. Now here pi, you're not substituting the value of pi. You keep in terms of pi only. Don't substitute the value of pi. So you have pi x plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 minus pi x. So in terms of pi only, find out the answer. Don't substitute the value of pi. X is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4. So y will be 9 minus pi into 1 is pi. Y is equal to 9 minus 2 pi. Y is equal to 9 minus 3 pi. Y is equal to 9 minus 4 pi. Don't substitute the value. And then third one. X is equal to 4y.
Can you scroll down?
Biscuit. Chai biscuit. Chai biscuit. Yes, you found the third answer? Amrita, you got the third answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you tell the solutions?
Third one.
Done, ma'am.
Aditya?
Done, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the solutions.
Yes, ma'am. So I got 1 comma 1 by 4.
1 comma 1 by 4.
Yes. And
Okay.
2 comma 1 by 2.
2 comma 1 by 2.
3 comma 3 by 4.
Why you have found out like this?
I'm getting different answers.
Yeah, it's always, everyone will get different answers. Why you have found out like this? You can directly x is equal to 4y you have. Then substitute the value of y as 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Why you have complicated such complicated solutions you found out?
Ma'am, can I tell now?
Yes.
Ma'am, y is equals to 0, 0, comma 0.
0, comma 0. Okay.
Next 4, comma 1.
4, comma 1, right?
Then minus 4, comma minus 1.
Okay.
Then 2, 1 by 2. 2, comma 1 by 2.
Why 1 by 2 you're taking? Take x as the whole numbers.
Y is equals to 2 by 4, so I took is equals to 1 by 2.
Not needed. You can take it as minus 2. Minus 2, that is minus 8. Minus 8. And this is minus 2. Take it easy numbers, no?
Okay, ma'am.
I got different answer. I took 1, 2, 3.
Everyone will get the different answers. There's no similarity in answers. And that is not a problem. Now check which of the following are solutions of equations x minus 2y is equal to 4 and which are not. So what you have to do? Rupika, what you can do in this one?
Ma'am, we have to substitute x with 0 and y with 2 and find out whether there's a solutions or not.
Yes, RHS and LHS should be equal. If it is
Yes,
equal, then it is a solution. If it is not equal, then it is not a solution.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
try finding, everyone. Try to find out for all 5.
Ma'am, I completed third question.
Good.
Now I have a doubt in the fourth one.
Yeah. What is the doubt?
Fourth part.
Yeah, fourth. Which one? Here. Third question, fourth part.
Yeah.
Try substituting. What is the problem?
It is no. It is not. Right?
Yeah. So x is root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2. That means root 2 minus 8 root 2. That is minus 7 root 2. And RHS is 4, which is not equal. So they are not equal. So it is not a solution. So to write the proper steps, first write the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4. First case 0, 2. That means let x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Substituting in given equation. So it is 0 minus 2 into 2. So 0 minus 4 is minus 4. It is RHS is 4, which is not equal. It is 4, it is 4 yet, right? So these are not equal. So therefore, and at the end, you have to write the statement 0, 2 is not a solution of given equation. Clear? So this way you have to write all of them.
Any of this is not a solution.
Any of this is not solution.
Ma'am, third
Ma'am,
one
third
is
one
a
is
solution.
solution.
Third one is a solution, right? Only third one is a solution. And all others not.
Ma'am, third one is also not.
Why?
X is 4.
Yeah.
It will be 4 minus 2 into 0.
Yeah.
4 minus 2.
2. 2 into 0 is 2, no?
Sorry.
Then the fourth one. They already have given that is x is equal to 2. Find the value of k. If x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k.
Ma'am, k is equal to 7.
Okay. So here you have to substitute. This is already they have given that is these two are the solutions. That means the value of x and y you have to substitute in this equation and solve that. Then you will get the value of k. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. 4 plus 3 is equal to k. 7 is equal to k. So value of k we got as 7. Okay, so let's stop today here. I'm sending you one worksheet of coordinate geometry. You have to finish it. 67 questions are there in that.
Ma'am, in the classwork?
Yes.
Is it like multiple choice?
Both. All are there. All type of questions are there. Now you got the graph papers. You have the graph papers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then I'm
Yes,
sending
ma'am.
you the worksheet. Today I will send you the worksheet. It will take by tomorrow. You can submit it. By tomorrow or day after you can finish it. And I will tell you this which question numbers you have to finish by tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and Saturday you will be having the test of cell chapter. Again, online it will be objective.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Cell chapter test will be there.
Ma'am, on
Saturday.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, there's no diagram because it's multiple.
No, it is a multiple choice questions.
Ma'am, I don't have notes for that chapter. What will I do?
So now you check how many days you are absent.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is clear. You are telling only 4 or 5 classes that you are missed.
Yes, ma'am. I
Whom
checked.
you are fooling? You have to read the chapter because
Okay.
those will not be videos will not be available for those classes. Cell chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then you can leave now.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Now I can. Ma'am,
Yes.
can you scroll a bit down? I could not copy this question number 2 second part. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, yesterday we did the physics test online.
Yeah.
So in that, how will we come to know that which question was wrong?
Yeah, you go to the test and then below that there is an option revision tab is there on that page.
Yeah, yes.
When you see the result in that revision, click it. Then you will get to know the correct answer for that and what you have written the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.